Hello, this is Lynn Quick. I am your Sociology 2 classmate, and I am doing my CBO project on D.P.S.'s GAIN program. The Los Angeles County D.P.S.S is the Department of Public Social Services, and it is a governmental entity that provides financial, medical, and food resources to indigent U.S. citizens or lawful immigrants. D.P.S.S created Greater Avenues for Independence, which is a program that complies with welfare reform, and it is to combat welfare dependency. Services are offered in 9 languages that would include Spanish, Korean, Russian, Farsi, Tagalog, Chinese, Vietnamese, Armenian, and Cambodian. This ensures that all recipients are given the opportunity to participate and excel. In this slide, I have a pamphlet from the GAIN program. And upon applying for CalWORKs, each participant is agreeable to the terms of the GAIN program, making participation mandatory. The CalWORKs program is what some people would call a welfare or welfare aid, and it gives cash aid to indigent families. If you are not participating in the GAIN program for no good reason, you will be sanctioned and some of your welfare stipend will be taken. Some of the good reasons for not attending GAIN include documented medical or mental health issues, or if you're a current victim of domestic violence. In 1988, GAIN collaborated with the Los Angeles County Office of Education, which is known as LACO, to strategize effective plans to transition welfare recipients into the workforce. By July 1993, LACO entered a contract with D.P.S.S to provide a curriculum that strengthens welfare recipients in the areas of motivation, self-sufficiency, and the development of employable job skills. On this slide, I have a list of eligibility requirements for those that want more information as to how to be eligible for CalWORKs. I'm going to go over some of the basic requirements. You have to have an eligible child, or you would need to be pregnant. One or both parents are absent from the home, deceased or disabled. If both parents are in the home, but the principal wage earner is either unemployed or working less than 100 hours per month at the time they apply for assistance, you must be a U.S. citizen or a lawful immigrant, have a social security number or have applied for one, have a net income less than the maximum aid payment for family size, have less than $2,250 in cash or in the bank, and if you are 60 years or over, you can have $3,250. You must provide proof of immunization for all children under the age of 6 and cooperate with child support requirements unless exempt. Participants in welfare to work activities perform 20 hours of welfare to work related activities for a single adult with a child under 6 years old, 30 hours per week for single adults with no children under 6 years old, and 35 hours per week for 2-parent families. The hours may be combined between both parents. As far as property or resources, CalWORKs applicants and participants are allowed a property limit of $2,250. And for those that are exempt, they can have up to $9,500 or less. And this would probably be a car or something to that extent. But if you have more than $9,500, that amount will be counted towards your case. So those are a few of the requirements to apply for CalWORKs. And once you are in the GAIN program, which would mean that you're receiving CalWORKs benefits, there are an assortment of things that you can get assistance with. One of the pamphlets that I received is, it talks about homeless programs. And in this slide here, there are quite a few homeless programs. One of them is Homeless Assistance Program. The other is Moving Assistant Program, Emergency Assistance to Prevent Eviction Program, 4-month Rental Assistance Program, Homeless Case Management Program, Skid Row Assessment Team, District Access Team, and Temporary Homeless Assistance Program. I'm going to move to the next slide. And these are other services that when you are in GAIN or receiving CalWORKs, you can also get legal assistance. And this is a pamphlet from Impact, which helps with legal matters. It could be landlord-tenant, immigration issues, D.P.S.S. issues. And I'm sure they do help with expungement for those that may have a misdemeanor and they really want to get that taken off their record in order to proceed in life. This is a slide of the Genesis Center, and they provide assistance in the area of domestic violence, mental health, and homelessness issues. The intended outcome of the GAIN program is to gear participants towards getting a job, financial stability, independence, education, GED, self-esteem, pride, confidence, eventually a better job and a career. I hope that you check out the transcripts because I've spoken in more detail about the program, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.